interrupt this breaking news with some breaking news. That is right, guys. I'm about to save you over $200 on your brand new MacBook Pro. How? Well, it's all in the case. Over here, right with me, I've got a beautiful, sturdy case all the way from eBay. But what is the difference, I hear you say, from this versus my Apple case? Well, this one, get it, is only 16 Australian dollars. I know, versus the Apple's $300 for their case, which, can I just add, is just a slip and slide. This one, on the other hand, is, yeah, watch this. You can literally lift up the case, plug it in like so, and for all of you guys out there who don't like the sounds of the fans, who like a bit of free flow underneath your Mac, well, look at this. Look what we have with you. You have got the airflow, you have got the ductile flow, you have got the minimizing of the fan speed, and not only that, but you have got the comfort. That is right, the comfort that is the touch typing extraordinaire. It is great for your back, it's great for your spine, it's great for your head, it's great for your fingers, and boy oh boy, it's great for your bank. So if you guys, like me, want to join on to this beautiful case from eBay, make sure you sub up and look at the description and links below, because we are about to save you some big dollar bills, y'all. You're welcome. Back to you in the studio,
Hello, so this right here is officially the best case for the MacBook Pro 16. I got this guy from eBay for my 15-incher and I actually modded it. I added in Velcro strapped to make it easier to lock in. And check this amazingness out. This 16-inch beefy MacBook Pro fits right in. You lock it up and you're ready to go out on your adventures on the prowl looking for some iOS coding goodness. But the best part about this case is check this feature out. This is amazing. Look, you hook it up like that and boom shakalaka, you have a raised MacBook Pro. What does that mean? It means you can type. Super awesome. So don't spend 300 Australian dollars on that stupid leather case from Apple. Get yourself a proper case. A case that rises to the MacBook Pro's thickness.
Maybe I'm born with it, maybe it's from eBay.